Hey YouTube, Obo Assassin here. I wanted to show you guys this level. It's really cool, and it's a jet fall, so let's get started. Grab the fat guy. Fat people, don't leave me! Oh no, what's happening? Too much lags. Oh, that was a lag. What you got, son? Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, my arms. Oh my gosh, I stink at this. Noob! Oh crap, I missed. Fat people! I'll grab you. I got him. Oh, there goes my head. I don't like this. It's too hard. Oh, I missed the black guy. I didn't even hit him. I must go back to avenge him. Oh, I missed. I got you this time, Blackie. Big Black. That used to be my favorite show. Robin Big. Oh, my nuts. I think I'm dead. Yep. Well, that's enough of that. Jetpack. Choom. Oh. Jetpack. This is fun. On my feet. Ouch. Black people hops. That was fun. Come on. Come on. Pogo jumping course. Did I do this with you guys? Nope. Choom. Nope. Man, when's this gonna get hard? Oh snap. It just got serious up in here. Oh, junk. Ew. 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 Man, simple. Just simple. This is the easiest pogo course I ever done, bruh. Bruh, man, I can't get past this part. Skip! Well, as you can see, I made it this far. Yeah, yeah. Ew. This level's too difficult. Skip! Well, as you can see, I epic failed. Subscribe!